Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start the process by making sure both devices are ready. Charge the JBL Quantum 360p or plug in USB-C. Turn on your Ps5 and sign into your account. Install any pending updates so firmware compatibility is current. Decide whether you want wireless low-latency audio via the USB dongle or a simple wired 3.5 connection. Once you choose, keep the dongle and cable visible and close to the console so you can complete the next steps without interruption. You now connect and configure the audio path. If wireless, insert the JBL USB dongle into a rear USB port. Do not use hubs because they can add latency. If wired, plug the headset into the DualSense controller's 3.5 jack and confirm the controller is assigned to your player. Then, on your Ps5, navigate to Settings, Sound, Audio Output. Choose the USB or controller headset as the output. Set output to 3D audio if desired, and adjust master and chat volumes for balance. Finish by testing both game audio and voice chat. Play a short clip and speak in party chat so you can hear levels. If you get no sound, make sure the Ps5 output is set correctly, unplug and reinsert the dongle, or try another USB port. Sometimes rear ports are more stable. For static or latency issues, update the headset firmware via the JBL app on PC or switch to the wired 3.5 connection as a reliable fallback. One key tip: restart the console after changes to apply settings cleanly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.